Look at you.
Hi, Pepper.
Hi, Pepper.
OMG, this is Pepper's YouTube channel.
Pepper.
Look, Pepper.
You look at him. Here.
Stop your hand.
Oh.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my cat intro. So first thing first, I want you guys to follow Tressconnisseurs. I am wearing their Malaysian curly hair. So, like I said, this is Malaysian curly hair from Tressconnisseurs, and this is a hair review / how I get ready. Thank you for clicking this video, guys. So I'm going to show you guys a few products that I use. One of them is the Got To Be Glue, and the next one is the Ghost Bond. You guys, these two things is what help keeps my hair laid. This wig ain't going nowhere, y'all. I also have a spray bottle with conditioner that I use to wet my hair in the morning. Another product that I like to use is hair mousse, and this one specifically came from SUAVE, however you pronounce it. So I got this from Family Dollar in the clearance section, and for it to be pretty cheap, it actually works really good. As you guys can see, you could definitely see the curl pattern in the hair once I put the products in my hair. So here I have my edge control toothbrush, and the next thing I use is tissue to lay my edges. I be trying to put people onto this, but it's one of the things that I like to use, and you should be able to find it at the crib. But yeah, guys, this will actually conclude this video. This video was not going to be too long at all because it's really easy for me to maintain curly hair. It really hasn't been hard for me at all, just maintaining curly hair. It's like a wash and go thing or wet and go. I found it really easy, and I hope you guys do the same as well. So be sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. And let me know what other videos you guys like to see. Alright, y'all. Bye.